building an automation for blog repurposing, and I will show you exactly how I build this workflow where one blog post that can turn it into a Twitter threads as well as into the LinkedIn post. So this is the how workflow. So let's get started. First one is for this overview. We'll just name this workflow as AI powered blog to social purposing machine. So, but this is the name of the workflow for better organizations, right? The first step is to start a trigger. So, for starting an workflow, we use RSS feed trigger, and in the RSS feed trigger, times, minutes, or hours, or day, or weeks that you want to pull the content from the website. Go to the RSS feed. We'll go to the RSS field. You can just click on the new feed and click it. So these are the automation because this is what I search here in the field. Copy the URL from here and go to your back A10 field where you can paste URLs that is normal. Now you can see here that output is it just fetches the snippet of the first post from the RSS feed. So we need another node that is HTTP request. So what does HTTP request do is it give you can take the link from here and make it execute a step. So what it does actually is taking the information from this link and give you whole HTML content. Right? This is not normal. This is just a HTML format. Cannot be in normal text. Next step that you got an HTTP request, you got an content in the HTML format. Now you want to convert that into the word that readable text that ChatGPT can easily understand. So for that we are using the code function. Code function is just basically convert your HTML into the easy readable format. For that I have you just copy paste the code that I will give you the description just copy that code and paste it here, or you can ask the ChatGPT that feel you what you want, like how you want your content to be, and just execute the code. So it give you the heading what is the body, so in whole information, right? Now next node is we are using the OpenAI API, OpenAI API for generating a post, generating a LinkedIn post and Twitter thread. So it's the two different open API model. Like for one is for LinkedIn post, right? You'll have to connect your accounts to Open API. You need to connect your Open AI account to the internet. Next is the message to model. You can what model you are going to use. I am using a GPT 3.5 Turbo. Okay. Let's add from what you want to do with this content. Right? I have a prompt. You can just copy paste the prompt. I will give you, let's say, so from the previous node that is code, we got an full information heading and body. Now we will just convert that into the LinkedIn post. So for that we have the prompt that you can use to convert the blog post into the LinkedIn post content for your blog post. So what will be the next step is you just, or we also want to make the Twitter thread farming. So we'll add one more AI ChatGPT model Twitter thread. So for this, I'm using the 3.4, 3.5 turbo, and I will just write a prompt. I will just copy paste my prompt here. So execute this. So we can, so next step is we want and Twitter post for where you generated your content. Now you want that content to add in your Google Sheet. You can just go here and add Google Sheet, append an update rule in the sheet, and just execute previous node. So you'll get the link post. So now you can connect your Google account. You just I have created already one Google Sheet with content machine name. Inside that there is a tag for post, and inside that LinkedIn post I have different columns. So I have to choose one column that match. Actually, you can select the content ID to match. And from the content, you can take the content ID, and that's done. Now just execute the step. This data will be saved on your Google Sheet. Same way you can do it for append and update rule. Same information from the Twitter can add to content machine, and I will choose the Twitter sheet inside the. I'm just executing the step. These are now added to your sheet. Now let's check on our Google Sheet if it's animation. You can just go to Google Sheet. Now you can see here is my content ID. This is the title, and this one is the LinkedIn post. You can see here. These are just you can copy this tweet and paste into. This is our workflow. This is the final workflow that you can see will generate content for you 24 by 7.